Hello student, today's topic is use case diagram. What is use case diagram? To model a system, the most important aspect is to capture the dynamic behavior. Dynamic behavior means the behavior of the system when it is running or operating. Only static behavior is not sufficient to model a system. Rather, dynamic behavior is more important than static behavior. In UML, there are 5 diagrams available to model a dynamic nature. Our use case diagram is one of them. Now, as we have to discuss that the use case diagram is dynamic in nature, there should be some internal or external factor to make the interconnection or interaction. These internal and external agents are known as actors. Use case diagram consists of actor, use case, and their relationship. The diagram is used to model the system or subsystem of an application. A single use case diagram conceptual or captures a particular functionality of a system. Hence, to model the entire system, a number of use case diagrams are used. Purpose of use case diagram. The purpose of use case diagram is to capture the dynamic aspects of a system. However, these definitions is too generic to describe the purpose as other 4 diagrams. Other 4 diagrams are activity, sequence, collaboration, and state chart diagram. Also, we have the same purpose. We will look into some specific purpose, which will distinguish it from other 4 diagrams. Use case diagrams are used to gather the requirement of a system, including internal and external influence. These requirements are mostly design requirements. Hence, when a system is analyzed to gather its functionalities, use cases are prepared and actors are identified. When the internal task is completed, use case diagrams are modeled to represent the outside view. In brief, the purpose of use case diagram sets are used to gather the requirement of a system, used to get an outside view of a system, identify the external and internal factor influencing the system, shows the interactions among the requirements are actors. Next, how to draw the use case diagram. Use case diagram are considered for high level requirement analysis of a system. When the requirement of a system are analyzed, the functionalities are captured is in use case. We can say that use cases are nothing but the system functionalities written in an organized manner. The second thing which is relevant to use case diagram are the actor. Actor can define as something that interact with the system. Actor can be a human users, that means who use the software. We should have the following item identifiers: functionalities to be prepared as use case, actor, relationship among the use case, and actors. Use case diagrams are drawn to capture the functional requirement of a system. After identifying the below item, that means those are the name of the use case is very important. The name should be chosen in such a way so that it can identify and functionalities performed. Give a suitable name for the actor. So relationship and dependencies clearly in the diagram. Do not try to include all type of relationship, as the main purpose of diagram is to identify the requirement. Use note whenever required to clarify some important point. By using those manner, or by using this guideline, we can draw the use case diagram. This is the example or the sample use case diagram, where the customer is the actors and he give the order to the special order or normal order. The relationship between the special order and normal order is extent relationship, this is called. And this is the use case diagram. We cannot specify all those relationship in these things in this diagram. We must add some notes in this diagram. In this way, we draw the use case diagram. Next, where to use the use case diagram? As we have already discussed in build before, the 5 use case diagram or EML diagram to model a dynamic view of a system. Now each and every model has some specific purpose to use. Actually, these specific purpose are different angles of a running system. To understand the dynamic of a system, we need to use different type of diagram. Use case diagram is one of them, and its specific purpose is to gather system requirement and actor. Use case diagrams specify the event of a system and their flow, but use case diagram never describe how they are implemented. Use case diagram can be imagined as a black box where only the input, output, and the function of the black box is known. These diagrams are used at a very high level of design. This high level design is refined again and again to get the complete and particular pictures of the system. A well-structured use case also describes the precondition, post-condition, and exception. These extra elements are used to make test case when performing the testing. Although use case is not a good conditions for forwarding and reserving the engineering, still they are used in a strictly different way to make the forward and reserve engineering. The same is true for reserve engineering. Use case diagram used differently to make it suitable for the reserve engineering. In forward engineering, use case diagram are used to make test case, and in reserve engineering, use case are used to prepare the requirement details for the existing application. Use case diagram used for requirement analysis and high-level diagram model the context of the system, and reserve engineering and forward engineering, as we discussed the before. This is the all about the use case diagram. Thank you.